Hello and welcome to this short video covering the LUTOC schedule calendar. Selecting the schedule calendar will show you a list of all the work planned for a specific week. It will always open on the current week. The week can be changed using the arrow keys on the top left hand side. So to move forward a week, to move back a week. A list of employees are shown down the left hand side. These are colour coded, and the colour codes can be seen in the box shown. So if you have domestic and commercial cleaners, you might want to be able to differentiate between the two. You may also have cleaners that can do commercial and domestic work, in which case they will be shown in red. The settings for the cleaners are set in the cleaner record. We also have a not allocated area where any work that's not allocated to a particular employee can be shown. Anything shown in the orange here are work orders that have been set for weekly schedules or ad hoc schedules, so bi-weekly, monthly, half-yearly, etc. And the different colours signify different types of work. So for example, here we have AJ Dentist, and he's set for some patio cleaning allocated to Simon. It's going to take 1 hour to do on the date and time shown. To add a new job, click the Add Job button and select a customer. If the customer is not in the system already, you can add either a new commercial or domestic customer on the fly here and then complete the details. So the start date will be the 20th. Our start time can be 10 o'clock and the duration is going to be 1 hour, and we're going to do some window cleaning, and we can put in a cost and we can allocate this to an individual. So if we select Frank here, and we can say clean all the outside windows. Submit this now, and you can see that Frank has now been allocated that piece of work for ER solicitors. If it turns out that Frank can't do this work, we can drag and drop this to another employee. Alternatively, we can click on the record and we can reallocate it to someone else. So say we can allocate it to Katie here, and the work has now been moved up to Katie. We also have the facility to split the work between multiple employees should we need to. If we need to create work orders so that the employees or the customers are aware of what's going on, we can do this using the Create Work Orders operation. So if we click this here and we select a particular date, so we say the 18th, and we can select name of a cleaner, so we'll select Simon, and we'll select a summary report, and we can generate the work. This will then generate a work order for us, which we can then email or send to the appropriate employee. If you need any more information regarding the schedule calendar, please contact us and we'll be able to provide you with more information. Thanks very much for your time and have a good day.